I was scheduled to meet and talk with a marriage and family therapist, but today no one available, so I changed my plans. I just heard on the radio that last night in Florida, NASA successfully launched its ninth spacecraft into the Earth's orbit. Today I will meet and talk with Bob, an aerospace engineer. Hi Bob, tell me what company are you working for?
I work for an aerospace technology company that manufactures and distributes propulsion and combustion components.
Oh, when I first heard about your job title as an aerospace engineer, I think you are the one design a spaceship.
Designing and deploying spacecraft requires a team of engineers from many different roles. At my company, we only manufacture propulsion and combustion engines, the most durable engines in any spacecraft and satellite. At the heart of aerospace engineering, it involves how we create force, called thrust, to overcome drag and gravity.
To hear I totally that because what I know so far is the airplane. Now it is about rocket. With me it is the strength field.
For some, rockets and space exploration are still new, but it is a huge market, and globally, the number of technology and innovation companies in the space exploration field is just a few.
What the reason you chose this field to study when you were in college?
I just chose my major based on the subjects I scored well in. In high school, I was good at math, physics, and chemistry. So after graduating, I started to learn about the major and the field. I found aerospace engineering very interesting, so I chose this major. Now, after 10 years of working, I think I have chosen the right career path. Since technology is always changing, we always learn and update our knowledge so that we never get bored.
Wonderful to hear. I hope some students listen to what you have just said will get some inspiration to overcome the challenge they face in current school and life. So PhD degree is the minimum requirement for the job. Is it correct?
The minimum required year is 4 years in college. For me, I studied for 5 years to get a double bachelor's and master's degree.
What are the top level skills a good aerospace engineer should have?
It is technical analytical skill to know how to evaluate design elements and suggest improvements if necessary, to upgrade the design and troubleshoot when problems occur.
Currently, what projects you get involved?
We design the propulsion core to fit the Pico satellite, weighing from 100 grams to 1 kilogram. Small, but still effective.
Are there any those satellites available now?
This year, there are thousands of Pico satellites in orbit. What we are doing now is to shrink the core to fit on a femtosatellite under 100 grams, but it is still in the testing phase.
Oh wow, you say satellite. It does mean that is the machine used to take picture of the Earth?
Oh, and they can do so much more. They help remote areas without internet access to connect and communicate with any area of the globe. And they also collect data from ground sensors deployed in remote environments, deserts, forests, or oceans, to monitor things like seismic activity, weather conditions, or the movements of migrating animals, and many other educational and research tasks.
It is called machine to machine, aim to aim communication, as I know so far. You design machine for rockets and satellite. How is the working environment in your field look like?
Quite flexible and comfortable. Before starting daily work, we have a short meeting where each engineer presents the problem and discusses to troubleshoot. This also helps us improve our communication skills to solve problems with non-tech executives.
Sound like it's a real workplace. On free time, what do you do?
I take flying lessons, wanted to be a private pilot, allowing me to experience the principles of flight firsthand.
Now, if I ask you to describe your work in a few words, what would you say?
Non-stop improvement.
Okay, I know there is a music library. Every time you key in the keyword, it will come out a song to listen. Now let's try to key in your word non-stop improvement in the search toolbar to see what will come up. Oh, this is smooth and gentle as a rocket.
23 to reach the same day. The rocket will out to orbit of the Earth. Mama, look at that spaceship. Are there people inside it, or only robots? My son, your daddy is in one of the teams designed that rocket. 23 hours, the clock is at zero. Go, 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 our shining hero. And now it's quiet, son, just listen to the breeze. That spaceship is up among the stars and the galactic seas. Mama, is my dad come home?
Just wait, my son,
I will tell you the bedtime story.
on how he makes the rocket.
It rides on fire, my dear, it makes a thunder. But it's strength and science that keeps it from tearing asunder.